What's going on, guys? How are you? It's been a while, I know. Just want to check in. I haven't been on here all year long, and I started another channel, started doing cinematography and photography and everything else, and now, and then in the back of my mind, marketing was still there. I wanted to market more than anything in the world, and I felt the need that, sorry, um, I felt the need that I needed to come back and start doing this. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I am back. I will start putting out tutorials, content as much as I possibly can. Guys, just so you know, sometimes I will have my 13-month-old with me, so things might be a little crazy, a little loud, but I want to bring you guys content. I want to show you that even with a 13-month-old, I can still do this. I take care of him full time. I still work full time. Trying to do this and another channel, also trying to run this business and get everything going. So, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to get on here and just do a little browsing on the computer so I can show you guys kind of what's going on, and we'll go from there, okay? So, guys, welcome back. I'm sorry I've been gone. I know things have been kind of crazy, and I know if you've been on my channel recently, it's like, is he ever going to upload anything? If you've been looking for an upload. If you haven't, then guess what? Here we go. Let's start over. Let's do things and let's get big. It's July 5th today, and I want you guys to enjoy this content from now on. I'm going to be doing stuff like, let me switch hands here. I'm going to be doing stuff like, I have a friend of mine that wants to learn how to do marketing, so I'm going to teach him how to do marketing. He lives down in South Florida, so I'm going to show you exactly how I would teach you guys if I was going to teach you and you're not living here. I'm also going to start building courses. I'm also going to build a membership site. I'm going to start getting this crap going, and I'm going to start putting out as much content as I possibly can, okay? No more excuses, guys. I kept using excuses. Oh, well, I'm busy with a 13-month-old. I'm busy with this. I'm busy with that. And my content in my brain just wasn't flourishing. So, guys, I want to bring you as much as I can. So, with that being said, guys, here is just a little browse we're going to go through and just kind of refresh with everything, and I'm going to do that. And then hopefully I'm going to be able to put out a couple of videos in the next couple of days. Supposed to go out of town with family the next 3 days, but hopefully I can still put out some content. I'm going to try to do it tonight so I can go ahead and get it loaded for the week. And then, basically you'll just have content for the week. But if not, I will be doing it while I'm there. So guys, love you. I appreciate you still being here. And guys, I will talk to you soon. Peace.
So, now that we're inside the computer, we are going to do big things. We are going to show you exactly how to get things going, and we're going to teach you what affiliate marketing is. All right. So, affiliate marketing, for all the people that do not know what affiliate marketing is basically you are a promoter for another company in a way. Okay, so let me make this more appealing, not sound like you're somebody's go-to gopher, okay? So the thing is, basically what happens is, say you're out here, okay? We're going to use Amazon for an example. Amazon has probably one of the largest and best affiliate market programs out there. You see right here, it says become an affiliate. You'll go through here, you'll sign up, you'll start recommending products, and you will earn your money, okay? So what I will show you is, let me kind of explain this. So basically what happens is you sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, and basically you see right here, it's called Amazon Associates. All right. Amazon is probably the easiest one to get started with. Now, the problem with Amazon now is the fact that Amazon has kind of cut their commissions back. So we'll get into that into another story in probably about 5 minutes. But what we're going to do is start talking about this. So sign up with Amazon. And what that means is you can be a blogger, a vlogger. You could just be doing video reviews on products. You can do anything. And what happens is you sign up with Amazon, and they give you a special link for every one of the products on Amazon. Okay. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go in, you're going to start, say you do YouTube videos, you do reviews, you're going to get in there and you'll start recommending the products that you believe that are good. And you're going to start teaching people about them, talking to them about it, and doing things that you enjoy about the product and showing them why they should be clicking on this link, okay? The link that you're going to put inside your description of YouTube or your blog or your, anything that you want to do. You could do it on a podcast where you have links in the podcast. Anything that you believe you can do with this product to promote it is how you're going to do it. Okay, so you recommend your product. Then what happens is people click on that link. It is personalized to you. It could be www.amazon.com/ say your last name is Johnson. It says Johnson20. They click that link. It is tied directly to you, and say they buy something from Amazon that day. Say they buy this camera right here, these headphones, and this lens, and this pouch, and this mouse, and this keyboard. You get an affiliate commission of all that. But first, if they have to click on the first product. So if they say they clicked onto that camera right there. Let's go back to that camera. They clicked on this camera, they bought the camera. Okay. Say there was a 4% commission on this, $1,000 camera. You're going to make $40 off of that. Yes, $1,000 command, 40% commission be 4% commission. 40 would be 400. So yeah, $40 commission. Okay. So you get a $40 commission, but let's say actually, we won't get into that. We'll just say right now, basically you get a $40 commission from that, just for them clicking that link and you giving a review. Okay. Now, what I was going to say is they have a thing called a sticky cookie, which lasts for about 24 hours on the website. Say I come in, I click on your link, I buy this camera, all right? And I'm like, man, I really would like to get this lens right here, this pouch with this, and I like to get this lens over here, okay? And I'm like, man, I also need a new computer. So I buy a laptop or I buy a desktop and I buy this keyboard with it. Everything that I've bought right here, you get a commission for it. So let's say I check out and this is $1,000 or $400 lens and this is $800 lens and the computer's another $1,000. So you got $1,200, $2,200, $3,200. You just made 4% commission off of all that. Okay. Now the commissions change in each category. Like if say that chair, it might be a 2% commission or 8% commission. Just matters what's going on. Okay. So basically what affiliate marketing is, you are the middleman. You don't have to deal with the product. You don't have to make a product. You don't have to go out and build a store. You don't have to do anything. Now you can build an Amazon store. It has all the links into it. And if people go in there and buy from that store, and people click that link and it takes them to Amazon and they buy the product, guess what? You still get your commission, okay? Even though it's your store and they're getting sent to Amazon. You see what I'm saying? So, basically, you're going to hear me say basically a lot, by the way. It's just something I do. I'll try to cut back. Sorry if it's annoying. But yeah, you're going to be the middleman. You're going to be like I'm trying to think of the word here. There's a word I've been thinking of the last 5 minutes. What is this called? You're basically going to be a referral program kind of thing, that you're going to be referring a product. But the thing is, you're not referring a product that you don't want. You're referring a product that you desire. So say you desire to do cameras and photography, like on my photography channel, or say you do web hosting, like you got this right here. Okay, let me show you if my mouse will show up. There we go. You got web hosting. So with companies like this, you become an affiliate for Bluehost. Every time you get somebody sign up and buy a website for a year, you get a $65 commission. So you got that. You have ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels, they have it where if you sign up and people pay their payments every month, you get a 40% commission of that payment every month because you referred them to ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickBank, this is another one. These are different products. So you have Promote, okay, and then you can join ClickBank, and then you can go down here, and if you see right here, you have all these different categories that you can promote, okay? And don't worry, I'll be doing videos on all this. You have YouTube, okay? Say let's do YouTube. Let's say we're gonna do, I'm trying to see if there's anything on here I can show you that has already affiliate links in it. I don't see anything, so let's go ahead and we'll just type in software review. I'm not even gonna jump on anything specific. Let's just do, all right, so you got best email marketing software. We're gonna go in here and we're going to pause the video because I don't want to see I don't want to hear the video, and this is an ad anyways. And we're going to go down here and we're going to hit show more, okay? So you see right here, he's going to be promoting ConvertKit. Okay, so he's going to give you a review on ConvertKit. This is what he believes is the best email software out there. So he's going to get a commission. Really? He's going to get a commission for you clicking this link right here. So he's primalvideo.com. Go for ConvertKit. That is his affiliate link for you to check out. And if you don't like ConvertKit, he also recommends ActiveCampaign, which is another one he uses. Okay. So this company right here, as you see right now, they have 598,000 subscribers, which is pretty impressive because not even 6 months ago, they were like 300,000. So they've been busting the gears on there. It has a gear video, a gear link right here. And I guarantee if we click this link, it's going to take us to a whole bunch of affiliate gear. Okay. So let's click there. Primal Video Resources. So you click down here, you have Epidemic Sound. These are all links, okay? These are all affiliate links. ArtGrid, try ActiveCampaign, try TubeBuddy, try Genius Link, building a business, video creation, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Kajabi. These are all affiliate links, okay? So what it means is if I click try Agora Pulse right now and I signed up for it, or if I did TubeBuddy and I signed up through his link, or Snappa, or Lead Pages, or Kajabi, or WordPress, or Astra, or Element, or if I signed up through any of these, they would make a affiliate commission if I became a full-time user of that software, okay? They have gear in here, which, let me see if they have their actual gear on here, because I didn't see it. Music for videos, video editing software. There's way better than that. Okay, here you go. Here we go, video gear. So anything like this, it's pretty much all this right here. If you were to buy any of this stuff, you were to click their links and buy this, they would get an affiliate commission. Okay, there's nothing wrong with them doing this because the fact of the matter is they're giving you a lot of value for you to learn about these things, okay? So if you went in and you want to do a review on this microphone right here, okay, you found out the review, they send you this link, you click the link and boom, you are giving them an affiliate commission for their time and their effort to teach you about that microphone, okay? So with that being said, guys, I don't want to run forever about this. This is the beginning of affiliate marketing series. I'm going to start recording this every day. As much, well, we won't say every day, but as much as I possibly can. I want to give you guys as much value as I can. I am an affiliate marketer, so you will sell links inside of my stuff. I do promote Bluehost. I do promote ClickFunnels. I do promote stuff off of ClickBank. I don't promote ClickBank itself. I used to do Amazon Associates, but like I said recently, they cut the commissions because they don't need people doing affiliate marketing for them. Basically, affiliate marketing is getting a company well known. Is basically, okay, say I had an affiliate product and I wanted you guys to start pushing it out for me so people would understand and know who I am, who my company is. I would start paying you guys to get the name out there. Hey, will you promote this and I'll pay you a commission so people can start knowing who Chris Tharp is, okay? Or say I had a software program, or say I had an affiliate marketing course out there and I'm like, hey guys, promote this course. I'll give you a $300 commission on it. And basically people are going to come and buy the course. Okay. I can make the money just by putting affiliate marketing stuff inside of there. Or I can say, hey guys, can you help me out? You know, basically it's you helping me out, me paying you to help me out. But now people know who I am. People know who, if I'm good or if I'm bad or this and this and that. And that's why Amazon cut back their affiliate commissions. Nobody needs to know who Amazon is anymore. Everybody knows who Amazon is. You got to live in a freaking hole to not know who Amazon is. Okay. So guys, with that being said, I appreciate you watching this video. I really do enjoy teaching this content, and this is why I got back into it. I kind of had to let it go before it came back, and you know, I started getting that feeling. And that's the thing is, having a 13-month-old child in my life has made things hard because I am a high achiever. I'm just a go-getter. Like, that's just who I am. I feel like I have to be going all the time. I would rather sit at my desk and record videos all day long and learn and study all day long than do anything else in the world. Instead of doing cinematography. That's the only thing else I would rather do is go out and record stuff. Just right now it's miserable because it's blatantly hot outside, and I'm not going to lie, I don't like going and sit out in the blazing sun because I am hot-natured. So, but I'm not going to get off on that tangent. I just want to say, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And guys, I will catch you in the next video. Later, guys.